God, I'm nervous. Hopefully I don't crash this thing. Hey guys, John Velasco here with Digital Trends, and we're checking out the DJI Mavic Mini. Oh shit! This here is DJI's latest drone, but before this one, they had the DJI Spark, which had 1080p video recording, and they also had the DJI Mavic Air, which was their higher-end unit that had 4K resolution. But the DJI Mavic Mini is right there in between because it is a 2.7K video resolution with a 12-megapixel camera. It has a weight of 249 grams, which is equivalent to just 5 golf balls. It has a range of 2.5 miles, 30-minute battery life, and it's just one of their affordable, super compact drones. Now, one of the things I love most about the DJI Mavic Mini is just how compact it is. You can tell here, fits in the palm of my hand. It's almost the size of a smartphone, as if you're holding it. And you can see it condenses, so the wings actually condense in, so you could travel with it a lot easier than a normal drone. At 249 grams, it is crazy lightweight, but the concern I have is just stability when you're flying it really high up. There are, of course, factors such as wind that might cause it to become unstable, but in our time testing out here, it looked like it was pretty good. As far as video recording is concerned, it does it at 2.7K at 30 frames per second. To me, it should have been 4K because nowadays that is the standard. Of course, you have to think about the weight, some of the design aspects that could have contributed to the 2.7K resolution, but that just means that there isn't going to be as much flexibility when it comes to post-production. Because it's so lightweight, you don't have to register the DJI Mavic Mini with the FAA, which makes it more appealing because now it's going to be more accessible to more consumers. You buy it, you don't have to worry about registering it, and start taking footage as you want. The DJI Mavic Mini is available for pre-order starting today, October 30th, at $400, and that's a crazy price point because when you think about drones, they're really expensive, but this has the advantage of being an entry-level model, more accessible to people. So if you're a first-time drone owner or just looking to get into this, it's a great option to think about, and I know I'm going to be excited about it, so I can't wait to test it out myself. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to learn more about the DJI Mavic Mini, you can check out our website, digitaltrends.com. John Velasco. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.